If you don't feel like going to the gym, my best advice would be go to the gym because nobody asks how you feel.
Would you want to do the Tower of Terror? Okay. I saw this TikTok of another girl doing this.
But the OG Tower of Terror occurs on the leg extension.
But basically you start at the highest weight where you can only do 3 reps, and then every set you're going to drop it down just 1 weight until you get all the way down to 0, and then repeat 3 times.
Hey, repeat?
Yeah.
I didn't know that part.
So let's do it.
Oh God, I regret this.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की I'm trying to scrub it up, dude. My outfit red and black like a lady.
They just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes in different area codes.
Bitch, you know I'm sexy. Don't call, just text me. Bitch, it's slow, can't get on my speed. They stare cause they know I'm the ITGI.
A la hora que vas al gym es muy lleno. Yo no para nada.
Papi, súbeme la mini y me pongo más caliente si me ves moviendo el booty booty. Papi, yo sé lo que quieres. Muchos te lo mueven y tú quieres de esta shorty shorty.
Devuélvanme mi banquito.
Me gustan todas las nenas. Me gustan blanca y morena. Me gustan gorda y flaquita. Me gustan todas toditas. Lo mejor es que son únicas, cada una suma.
Como treinar pra ter um shape em V e ficar com um físico mais estético? Não esquece de me seguir e deixar um comentário aí no vídeo pra mais conteúdo. Começando pelas costas, é um músculo que você deve priorizar bastante se você quer ter um shape em V, priorizando puxadas, remadas e até acessórios, enfatizando bem sua dorsal. Pro seu físico ficar mais harmônico, você tem que priorizar também ombros, especialmente elevação lateral, elas não podem faltar no seu treino. E você também tem que treinar peito, pra você ficar com aquele físico mais harmonioso e preenchido. Eu não preciso nem falar que você não pode pular o treino de perna, né?
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the week.
Where's my dick at?
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things.
This is my back after 2 months of steroids. This is my back after 3 months of steroids. This is 4 months, and now finally 5 months. You'll notice that it's getting way better. Unfortunately, I was forced to take about a month break from the gym, which also meant no steroids. That mixed with eating much less dairy, and I started treating it, my back is actually starting to look pretty good. Or at least pretty good to my standards. Still kind of looks like a strawberry shortcake.
If you don't have the motivation to go to the gym, always remember this quote. If the mind can dream, you're a bitch.
Looking at me like I'm some sweet escape. Obvious that you want.
Do you go out places, Allie? Do you go out places or not? She's like, the gym?
Drop it.
why we broke up in the first place. Cause I want you.
If you don't know what port you're sailing to, how do you know what wind is favorable? Come on, baby. What the fuck? What does it mean?
Looks like you forgot, once again, how powerful you are.
अरे खुद बनाऊं खुद बिगाड़ूं मेरी जिंदगी मेरे लोचे आई डोंट केयर ब्रो कोई मेरे बारे में क्या सोचे
Working on myself, by myself, for myself.
I'm so confused. Tell me how you do the things you do, the things you do. I like the way you walk, but when you walk, the way you move. Ain't no secret about it.
Madurar en el gym es darse cuenta que da más pena tener mala técnica que cargar poco peso.
Again, stop that. Go. I can't. More. Go. You have more. Go. Drop it.
How do you use this machine? I see. Thank you. yeah, of course.
Anybody can do it. You can do it. You're fully capable of doing it. You're fully capable of doing it. 1,000%.
One thing that will literally never get old, putting down a set of dumbbells and having a guy come up, pick up those same dumbbells, and use them for the same exercise. Really no better feeling for a gym girl. Having a guy come up and pick up the 50s after I just put them down and use them for incline chest press. Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss, right? You men better watch out, because she can incline dumbbell press more than you. I'm trying to contain my laughter right now, but it's really hard. Something that never gets old is being able to walk alone at night. Chef's kiss, am I right?
I I just love the smell of fear.
I'm loading up my clip, got a plan for tonight. A dog in my hand, in my pocket.
You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger, Skylar. I am the danger. I am the one who knocks.
Nobody believes in you. You lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
These gym sales are, they're getting out of hand, all right? It was cool at first, you know, the whole psychopath trend. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I don't want to be associated with any gym, fitness influencer, content creator that's like this. What happened? Honestly, I don't even want to go to the gym anymore. In fact, I want to become even more unhealthy because of this video.
Ashley, look at me.
Minding my business, but
she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk. She shaking ass everywhere,